I can't shoot. Alright, I just play that too.
But I don't want to, cause you're so.
Well, what happened to the beat? You back up. You back up.
I snap.
Okay, see, so you back up.
You was taken. That don't have to stop you from making late night phone calls on the telephone about your fantasies, and I can get it on when you need me. I will be big for you, my sweet lady. Would you be mine? Would you be mine?
Yeah, I was supposed to do the chorus because you know he did.
Are you doing song? You guys get the song done?
No.
Nah, we just messing around. Yeah, song.
It's not.
I mean, we rehearsed we did this song. That would have been fun.
My lyrics is, I feel like I should let you know, bro, got a steady girl now with another kind of flow, with the pure soul, and I know that two halves make a whole, so let it be known. And then Joe do his part. Then my second one is, as I question myself, I get the answers to my questions. Will they always be happy or will they spend their days stressing? Confirmation from the Lord. He said, peace be still, because the love in this relationship is nothing short of real. Then I go, so now that we know that two halves make a whole, look at Rachel and Bro as a good example. United, never divided. The pressure, yeah, we gonna fight it. The right to live life, never divided. They stand by it. Yeah, with a smile on their face. Now both parties headed to a good place.
And I said,
and Joe, like every verse I do, Joe counter it. Like on that part where I be like, as I question myself, I get to answer my question where I'll be happy. You know, confirmation from the Lord. He said, peace be still. Because the love in this relationship is nothing short of real. He said, they did it, they tied the knot, and now they fitted, committed, whatever, forever. But